Now we'll create the payment entity, which will be very simple. So I will generate its resource. And this time I will select No to create CRUD entry points. Going to the resource, as I chose No to CRUD entry points, it did not generate an entity, so I will create it here by hand. So I'll create the entities folder, and here the payment entity. Now I will declare its attributes. It should be simply ID and the registry dates. And now I will just insert the type_rm decorators. And in the module, register the entity with the type_rm module. And then we're done with this basic part. Now we can define the relationship between order and payment. Well, an order may or may not have a payment, and a payment always belongs to an order. So we can see that this is a one-to-one relationship. I will begin on the order side. So it's basically the same process we already did in the previous lesson. So an order will have a payment, and here I will use the one-to-one decorator. And now there will be a new rule. I want to be able to save an order and its respective payment in the database in a single operation. Soon we'll understand the reason. And to achieve this, we use the Cascade option. And now for the payment side. I will write the code here and later explain it. First, a payment must always belong to an order, so we use the nullable false option for the reason already explained in the previous lesson. This onDelete cascade part is so that if an order is deleted, then its payment is deleted together with it. We do this because we will not be deleting payments directly. Lastly, the join column decorator is necessary in a one-to-one relationship to indicate who has a reference to whom at a database level. A payment belongs to an order. It must always have a reference to an order. So it is a nice practice to set the join column here on the, let's say, more dependent side. So with this, the payment table will have an order ID column. So now to finish the lesson, I just need to generate and run the migration create payment. And then commit the changes. Creating payment entity and handling one-to-one relation.